This has been reshaped so that it catches very well as far as catching on the end of the spark plug. Nice. Now I solder it, put the boot back on, and ideally there would be some heat shrink tubing put right in here, because I did have to cut that boot to get it off, and so when it is replaced on there, there actually will be a slit here at the back, and conceivably if it were wet then you could get some moisture in there. So ideally this should be have heat shrink tubing on it, and that can come at a later time. So I'll get this back to better than it was originally. This will be nice, ready to go.